In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI agent in N8N. First, log into your N8N account and create a new workflow. Next, click Add First Step and add a trigger, such as a chat trigger, webhook, or another event that starts the workflow. Now, add the AI agent node and connect it to your trigger. After that, choose the AI model you want to use and connect your AI provider credentials. Next, enter a system message that explains what the agent should do, how it should respond, and what information it should use. Now add tools to the AI agent, such as a database, HTTP request, or other connected apps, so the agent can perform actions instead of only generating text. After that, test the workflow by sending a sample request and review the agent's response. If the result isn't correct, adjust the instructions, model settings, or connected tools, and test it again. Next, save your workflow and give it a clear name. Finally, activate the workflow so your AI agent can respond automatically whenever the trigger runs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an AI agent in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.